Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present my research with title Analyzing Monthly Extreme Ground Level Ozone based on Generalized Extreme Value Modeling. I'm Siti Aisyah binti Zakran, postgraduate student from University Malaysia Perlis. This is my introduction. So what is extreme ground level ozone? So this extreme ground level ozone is referred to maximum value of monthly ground level ozone concentration. And the second one is what is GeV distribution. This GeV distribution, they have three types, which is Gamble distribution, Wilbur distribution, and also Frechet distribution. So why I want to analyze this ground level ozone is because if we have the highest concentration of GLO, they will give effect to our human health, affects plant growth, and also cause air pollution. So the problem is, what is the status of our ground level ozone? Is it they will be highest or lower? And the second one is what will happen to our ground level ozone concentration for the next 10 years. Okay, because from my problem, so I obtained two objectives. The first one is to classify the tail behavior of GLO. From this tail behavior, we will know the status of GLO. Is it they have the highest value or lower? The second one is we want to estimate the return level using the corresponding distribution. Type of GeV distribution is meant here. We can estimate the value for the next 10 years, or it depends on what our time that we want to estimate. Okay, this is my methodology. I divide by 5 important items: data, model, parameter estimation, goodness of field, and return level estimation. Okay, my data, so I choose monthly maximum of ozone concentration, and this is the 5 selected stations that I choose depend on the highest percentage of ozone: Shah Alam, Tanjung Malin, Nilai, Pelabuhan Kelang, and Lakit. And all this data is collected from Department of Environmental Malaysia. Okay, this is my model. So here is a functions of GeV distribution. So this is important: location, scale parameter, and shape parameter. So to determine the tail behavior, we need to know the value of shape parameter here. To estimate all the parameters, we use maximum likelihood estimation. This is the function of MLE, and we will obtain the value of shape parameter equal to 0. There will be Gamble distribution, more than 0 will be Frechet distribution, and less than 0 will be Wilbur distribution. And then to prove this is the distribution of GeV, we use coordinate of phase by dynastic plots, probability plot, quarter plot, return level plot, or we use the statistical test using likelihood ratio test and profile likelihood confidence interval. And for the second objective, we use the return level estimate. This is the function of return level estimation. Okay, this one is my results and conclusion. Okay, for my first objective, refer the table 1. So this is the parameter estimate for GeV distribution. We have the location, we have the scale, and also the shape parameter. Okay, from the first objective, okay, we will focus on the shape parameter. So here we can see that all the value is negative, less than 0. So we supposed to say that our tail behavior is a Wilbur distribution. So this distribution is say that bounded on the upper end, or we can recognize as short tail distribution. Okay, before we say that this is a Wilbur distribution, we need to test using likelihood ratio test. So this is the likelihood ratio test, and this is a profile likelihood confidence interval. Okay, so For this likelihood ratio test, we say that this H null is equal to 0 and H1 is less than 0. So we need to reject H null to obtain the Weibull distribution. If we cannot reject H null, so we can say that it's a gamble. So refer table 2, we can see that all the value on the 4 selected station is less than 0.05, so they will be Weibull distribution except nilai station is more than 0.05. So it means that nilai will be gamble distribution. So this proved by perfect correlative confidence interval. The value is negative 0.1 and 0.01. So again, nilai you can say that is a gamble distribution. Okay, based on Core 2001, it said that Weibull distribution is classified as less extreme behavior. It means that our extreme ground level ozone concentration in this 5 selected station is still in control or in initial stage. And for the second objective, we estimate the return level. So here is a table of return level for monthly extreme ground level ozone for the 5 selected station. So here we can see all the value. Here is the highest, and the highest station is Shah Alam compared to the others, and all the value of the 2-month estimation, 10-month estimation, and 20-month estimation is increased. Okay, so that's all my research. Thank you.